Here we presents for you a new motivational story which title is The Art of Resilience. Once upon a time, in a bustling city filled with dreams and ambitions, there lived a young man named Alex. He was a talented artist with a passion for painting that burnt brightly with him. However, like many aspiring artists, Alex faced countless rejections and setbacks in his pursuit of success. For years, Alex toiled away in his small studio, pouring his heart and soul into his artwork. But no matter how hard he worked or how brilliant his paintings were, he struggled to make a name of himself in the competitive art world. Disheartened and on the brink of giving up, he wondered if his dreams were merely illusions. One glooming afternoon, as raindrops tapped on his window, Alex noticed a wrinkled old man sitting on a nearby park bench. The man seemed content despite the dreary weather. Curiosity piqued Alex decided to approach him. "Excuse me, sir," Alex said. "I could not help but notice how peaceful you seem, even in this rain. How do you stay so content?" The old man smiled warmly and replied, "Ah, my young friend, life has taught me that contentment lies not in the absence of challenges, but in finding joy in the pursuit of our passions." Alex's eyes widened as he felt a connection with the man's words. You see,
That's at the great distance at what?
you see, the old man continued. "I was once a painter too, just like you. I faced countless rejections and failures, but I never let them extinguish my flame. I learned to embrace the journey and swear the process of creating art, regardless of the outcome." Tears welled up in Alex's eyes as he realized that he was not alone in his struggles. Inspired by the old man's resilience, he asked, "But how did you find the strength to keep going, even when it seemed impossible?" The old man learned in his voice, soft advice. "Every day I remind myself of why I started painting in the first place. I painted not for former or fortune, but because it brought me joy and allowed me to express myself. I paint to touch people's hearts, not just their wallets. With each word, a new found determination began to kindle within Alex's soul. He realized that success was not defined by external validation, but by the satisfaction of staying true to one's passion and purpose. From that moment on, Alex embraced a new perspective. He no longer sought approval from the art world, but poured his heart into every brush stroke. Cherishing the process of creation, he found solace in the realization that the journey was as valuable as the destination. As months passed, Alex's paintings began to radiate a unique blend of authenticity and passion. Word of his captivating artwork started to spread, and people from all walks of life were drawn to his exhibition. Critics praised his piece not only for their technical prowess but for the emotional they evoked. One day, while preparing for a major art event, a renewed art creator approached Alex. Your work is extraordinary, the creator said. It speaks to the soul and sets your art apart from others. I would be honored to represent you and showcase your talent to the world. The young artist could hardly believe his ears. It was a dream come true, but he was understood that the true victory lay in the transformation he had undergone. The recognition was a byproduct of his newfound appreciation for the journey and the love he poured into his art. Alex's stories spread like wildfire, inspiring countless aspiring artists to embrace their passion and find fulfillment in their creativity pursuits. He became a symbol of resilience, reminding people that greatness was not achieved overnight, but through perseverance and staying true to one's calling. And so, the once disheartened young artist who had almost given up on his dreams blossomed into a beacon of hope and inspiration of generation to come. His story served as a reminder to all that success is not a destination. It is the beautiful winding path of perseverance and self-discovery that leads there. Moral: the story of art of resilience teaches us that true success lies not in the destination, but it embracing the journey with passion, perseverance, and an unwavering commitment to our purpose in the face of challenges and setbacks. The key to achieving our dreams to stay true to our patience, find joy in the process, and believe in ourselves even when the world seems to doubt us. Resilience and a genuine love for what we do can turn our dreams into reality and inspire others to embrace their own journey with courage and determination.